up guys, welcome back. Today I have something really special to show you guys. I have paired up with Variant Wheels to create a three-piece wheel for my Hellcat, and they have come up with something absolutely amazing. We are going to be doing an unboxing for you guys today, kind of just opening them up, show you guys the wheels, take those over to Oscar at the Alley Detailing Center, and then we're going to get them ceramic coated so we can get them put on in a few days. So just to save some time, I kind of cut open the top of the first box. I actually still haven't seen the wheels. They're very, very protected, that's for sure. We're gonna pull them out of the box. We're gonna set them up right here. Full unveiling of my brand new three-piece wheels from Variant Design. These are a custom set of wheels from their new Corsa selection line. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Underneath there. These are the brand new wheels, guys. These are absolutely amazing. Look at the color combination. So on the outside on the barrel here, we have a gloss piano black, and on the face here, we have a satin black. And then over here on the studs, they're finished with a beautiful Monaco copper powder coating. They look so amazing, and I just, oh my goodness, this is absolutely amazing. I can't wait to put these on the car. Like, oh my goodness, this is like the biggest part. Very happy to have worked with Variant. Very responsive. They talked to me whenever I needed help, answered any questions I had. If you guys were wondering, build specs on these wheels are staggered setup. The front is a 20 by 10. The rears are a 20 by 11. That's what they're gonna look like on this car now. Look at that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start getting ceramic coated here. He's just doing the prep work. What did you do here?
We take the face of the wheel because we don't want any ceramic coating on it, so we don't make it shiny. We're gonna keep that satin look. Right now, what I'm gonna use is wipeout for the face to get any grease, wax, anything. Get it clean for the ceramic coating. You can get it at Marietta DG.
We're actually going to be using a different type of coating that we're going to put on.
Wheel guard.
Wheel guard. Wheel guards for the satin finish. That's a 6-month coating. We'll be using that for the face of it, but you'll be doing the barrel, the inside and outside lip there.
Now we're going to apply the ceramic coating, the first coat. For this one, we're going to do 2 coats for an average of 4 to 5 year protection. It's going to make it shine. So we have the microfiber, the pad. You go, and you go one way. Wheels are go all the way around. No pressure, just let the pad do the work. To make it even, we go up. Let's take this lip. See how it looks wet?
Yeah.
It already looks shinier. And you let it sit for like a minute. Wipe the excess off. Now for the wipeout, try to go the same way. Don't apply any pressure. Let the towel do the work. Microfiber towel. Try to look for those high spots.
We're going on with the second coat here. Just apply it on the microfiber applicator. And it's going to do the same thing again, right over the first coat. Do the second wipe down on these wheels, just on the outer lip. After he's done doing that, he's going to start on the inner barrel. Tomorrow, I believe, Angel's coming by with the other product for the satin face to go ahead and seal that for 6 months. They're already starting to look super shiny. They look amazing already. Come back and pick them up once they are fully cured and finished. Thanks for doing this again, Oscar.
No problem, anytime.
And we'll see you soon.
3 days later.
Look at those wheels. I'm so excited to put these on today. So 2 coats of ceramic on the black gloss outside, and then on the satin finish, they used wheel guard right here. Let's get these boxed up and take them down to the tire shop and get them installed. You guys may notice something a little bit different about the car. Bottom part to my splitter just completely like ripped out from underneath itself, and I heard it just go thud right underneath the car. Morning, I didn't want to say anything, and it fell off, so I went back and got it. Look at that. That was the bottom piece to it. Ripped to shreds. I do want another one though, because they look good. They might not be the best product, but they look good. They look real good.
20 minutes later.
Ran into Barry. He was getting in alignment. Hi Barry, what's up? Sound good, man, Smiley?
That shit looks sexy, dude.
Come down, get your wheels, tires, everything. Brake jobs, alignments. Yeah, I sound like him now.
Yeah, buddy. Let me know what you guys need.
Shout out to Variant for these wheels. Thank you for sponsoring me once again. Look at those. They look so good, even with the white Brembos. I didn't know how they were gonna look, but they actually pop. They look amazing. Thanks again, brother. Just right. Look at that. Guys, those wheels are so sexy. If you guys need a set of wheels, definitely hit up Variant Wheels on Instagram right now and go cop yourself a pair. Best wheels I've ever seen. So beautiful.